I'm Alan Dale from Gale Force Winds. What a great day I'm having here in Scarborough, Ontario at Protégé School, talking to some of the good people whose lives have been changed through the education program right here at this college. Why don't you introduce yourself and tell us the program you just graduated from?
Yeah, my name is Lorin Topyrek and my graduation is the massage therapy program.
How was the program for you? Did you enjoy it?
It was incredibly good and my experience was perfectly good. Yeah, the staff, teachers are amazing.
Tell me about the staff and teachers.
Yeah, my staff, your question exactly is the name of the teachers?
No.
My
Tell me about the experience that you had with them.
Yeah, I got most of time struggles and they helped to improve myself. I came in Canada as a refugee and after 4 years hard marriage, I got divorced and I've been a single mom with two beautiful kids. Mm-hmm. I'm a mom. And long term, I got court procedure, mm-hmm. and my lawyer told me, just got the job, and we can be strong. My journey started like this first. Like I just tried to prove myself to the judge. I'm a good mom. But when I came to this school, I said, yeah, this is a good job for me, for my future, and teachers. They all helped me because I'm only person in Canada. Most of the time I could struggle with the life, stress, kids, but they always handled, they tried to help me. That's why this school is amazing, because kind of family. And teachers are amazing. When you ask them any question, they giving answer. They trying to help to teach you very well.
It sounds like you came to the school, single mom, couple of kids, trying to make it all work.
Yeah, hopeless. First.
And they were there to help. They were there to support you as you went.
Yes.
That's an important thing.
Important thing for me because I didn't have any relatives, any family member, anyone, any friends. Like beginning, zero.
And Protégé was your family?
Yeah, actually I can describe like they are family.
Yeah.
They being family member for me.
Do you feel ready to go into the workforce now?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah, because during this school time they gave more practice and more experience to us with the clinic classes. And we connected always to real clients. And during that time we had really good experience. And yes, my beginning and my end totally different.
Right.
Yeah.
What would you tell people that might be considering Protégé?
I can say something like same situation with me, like hopeless or someone who lost their hopes, and or someone came to another country and they starting to new. Like nothing is like impossible. If you want, you can do. Just start it. And if you find the correct place for yourself, who try to help your skills, it's a good match.
Thank you very much for your conversation.
You're welcome.
And I want to wish you the very best in your future.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for giving me this chance.